Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum guys. I am Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you? What is gonna cook today in my kitchen? Today I am going to prepare chicken Tetrazzini casserole recipe. It's very creamy, cheesy and glazy and saucy recipe. Inshallah Ta'ala, you will definitely enjoy this recipe also. Let's start it. First, know what is chicken tetrazzini casserole. Chicken tetrazzini is a pasta-based casserole made with diced up chicken, turkey, or even seafood, and mushrooms, and a buttery, creamy, and cheesy white sauce pasta. It is too much favorite and popular dinner of America. Here I am chopping some fresh coriander. You can also take some fresh parsley place of this coriander. Okay. Almost we are needed 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh coriander. Okay. I am cutting or slicing one fresh green chili. It's totally optional. You can skip it. And we need some lemons and also we need some chopped garlic. About 2 tablespoons heaped. Mince like this. Okay. Also we have to cut some fresh mushrooms, white button mushrooms. Slice these thin but not too much thin. You can see in the video. I have taken 5 to 6 mushrooms. If you want more, so you can take more mushrooms according to your taste, or how much do you want to add in your recipe. Okay, now these are done. Let's chop one large onion. You can take some more onion because I have taken 1 1/4 part of onion chopped. Be careful when you are chopping or when you are using your chef knife. Here I have boiled chicken breast pieces. Those would be almost 1 1/4 cup. Just we have to make its large chunks. We don't have to mince it or mash it. Okay. When I boiled these parts, I made its chicken stock. Also, we will use some butter, and here I have boiled pasta or spaghetti. Boil the spaghetti according to the instruction of its packet. Here I am using some olive oil. Now add your mushrooms. Saute. After changing the color, I am gonna add a chopped onion in it. Okay, let's saute again. When our onion will change the color, so we will add our green chilies and chopped garlic in it. And again, we will saute and cook. Now our onions, garlic and chilies have been changed the color. So it's time to separate these ingredients from the wok. Don't forget, for this recipe, we are needed to a heavy bottom pan. I am adding 2 tablespoons butter for making our white sauce. Now I am adding probably 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now I'm gonna cook it, but I am not gonna give it a dark color because we are making white sauce spaghetti or pasta. I have added 1 tablespoon butter more in it because that was not enough for our all-purpose flour frying. Okay, now it's bubbling, it's done. It's time to add our chicken stock in it. It's clear nothing is added in this stock. Okay, it's almost 2 cups heaped. Keep stirring fast so our sauce couldn't be lumpy. You can check the texture of our sauce, but it's not complete yet. I'm adding half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 2 lemons juice in it. If you don't have lemons, so you can use white vinegar or limes. Okay, keep stirring. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon fresh coriander chopped. Now it's time to add our white ingredients. Here I am using Noorpur's fresh cream and also 3/4 cup creamy milk. If you want, so you can add totally 1 pack cream or half and half you can do. Keep stirring, mix well. Okay, now it's done. Mashallah, it's too much pretty. You can see it's bubbling. Now it's time to add our ingredients: chicken, mushrooms, and our spaghetti. Okay, let's mix it. Give it a great tosses. Mix your spaghetti with very light hands. Now its one part has been completed. Let's come to its other part. Now it's time to bake it with cheese. Okay. For this I have transferred some part of our chicken Tetrazzini casseroles in a pie mold, and I am placing some cheese slices. Here I am using 2 types of cheese, mozzarella and cheddar. You can use according to your taste because there is a lot of variety in cheese. Okay, I didn't crush the cheddar cheese because that was too much soft. Now it's time to bake our chicken tetrazzini, but first of all I will sprinkle some fresh coriander on the top of this cheese, and we will bake it until soften the cheese on slow heat. So viewers or friends, if you haven't liked, share and subscribe to my channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel and kindly press the bell icon. I also have added some butter on the top of this cheese. Okay, let's bake it. Mashallah, there you go friends. You can see its last touch is really amazing. Mashallah, melted butter, melted cheese, and let's see inside. Okay, let's serve it. Mashallah, Mashallah, friends, you can see that is not dry. If we made white sauce, cheesy, creamy sauce, so definitely it's very glazy. Oh, it's too good and too hot at this time. This chicken Tetrazzini is too much easy, creamy, cheesy, delicious, and loved by everyone. It's a classic comfort food and a perfect dinner for the entire family. It's one of my family's favorite pasta dish. You can serve this with homemade garlic bread and roasted carrots, or also you can eat it without anything because it's a complete meal. When you will try this recipe at your homes, definitely you will enjoy this recipe because it's too much creamy recipe. Let's taste it. When I taste it, I feel I am in heaven because it's too much creamy cheesy sauce. Okay, let's taste. Take a bite. Mashallah. Okay. I used one green chili and it is performing a very great job in this recipe. If you don't like, so you can skip it. But today I wanted to eat some little bit spicy food, that's why I added in it. Otherwise, that is optional. Okay, friends, now it's time to say Allah Hafiz. See you soon with another delicious and beautiful recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.